This 2005 Camry LE is for Toyota enthusiasts who are looking for a terrific, low mileage. This Camry LE is everything you need from a car in this segment. Dependable, reliable and won't burn down your wallet. Automatic transmission, the gas pump. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2005 Camry 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. Mechanical New Car Test Drive said it was the ultimate transportation appliance. It's a safe buy, a good vehicle to recommend to your friends. It pleases many buyers by offending none.